How will we determine this reaction is what? A slow reaction, this reaction fast reaction. For example, A is converted into B. Concentration of A is converted into concentration of B. Here concentration of A decreases, here concentration will be increases. So rate should be equal to change in concentration of reactants or product divided by time. For example, for this reaction, rate should be equal to change in concentration of A divided by Pt equal to plus change in concentration of B divided by Tt. Here minus indicate concentration of A decreases, plus indicate concentration of product increases. For example, hydrogen react with chlorine to formation of HCl, gaseous state, gaseous state, gaseous state. One mole of hydrogen react with one mole of chlorine to formation of 2 moles of HCl. Rate is equal to change in concentration of H2 divided by Tt equal to change in concentration of Cl2 divided by Tt. C equal to quotient by 2. Change in concentration of HCl by Tt. Here minus indicate concentration of the reactant decreases, plus indicate concentration of the product increases. These are the example for rate of the reaction. Rate of the reaction can be defined as change in concentration of reactant or product with the unit time. Can be measured by mole per liter. Time taken can be measured by second. So unit is mole per liter per second. Next, what are the factors affecting the rate of the reaction? Factors affecting the rate of the reaction. There are different factors affecting the rate of the reaction. Reaction will be faster, more amount of product will be formed. What are the factors affecting the rate of the reaction? Point number 1, nature of the reactant. Point number 2, concentration of the reactant. Temperature, pressure, catalyst, surface area of the reactant. These are the factors affecting the rate of the reaction. First one is nature of the reactant. Sodium chloride plus liberation of hydrogen. One sodium, 2 hydrogen is 2 times, 2 chlorine is 2 chlorine, 2 sodium. Another one, sodium react with acetic acid to formation of CH3, CONA plus H2. 2 times, 2 times, 2 times. Here, compared to hydrochloric acid and acetic acid, hydrochloric acid is stronger acid than compared to the acetic acid. HCl is stronger acid than CHCl. So this reaction, fast reaction, this reaction, slow reaction. So concentration of HCl more than the is what acetic acid. HCl is a stronger acid than acetic acid. This reaction is fast reaction. This reaction is a slow reaction. Another one is concentration. For example, zinc reacted with hydrochloric acid to formation of zinc chloride and liberation of hydrogen. Here 2 molar. Another one, zinc reacted with hydrochloric acid 1 mole to formation of zinc chloride plus liberation of hydrogen. Here 2 hydrogen, so here 2 hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen, so 2 hydrogen. 1 zinc, so 2 chlorine. Here concentration 2 mole is a concentration 1 mole. Higher the concentration will be faster reaction. Low concentration will be slow reaction. So if concentration increases, rate of the reactions also increases. Another reaction, temperature. For example, calcium carbonate react with hydrochloric acid to formation of calcium chloride. Carbonate produce the carbon dioxide plus water. Another one, calcium carbonate hydrochloric acid to form calcium chloride plus carbon dioxide plus water. Here, calcium carbonate react with hydrochloric acid no temperature, but in the presence of temperature, supply the temperature, calcium carbonate and hydrochloric acid is reacted. This two bond undergo break to formation of calcium chloride and carbon dioxide plus water. Without temperature, this reaction is slow reaction. This reaction is fast reaction. Catalyst is a substance which increase the rate of the reaction. For example, KClO3. Potassium chloride decompose will give potassium chloride and oxygen. So 3 oxygen, 2 times, so 2 times. This reaction is a slow reaction. In the presence of catalyst M1O2 octacate catalyst, this reaction will be fast reaction. This is known as what? Catalyst. Increase or addition of catalyst, this reaction will be enhanced. Another one is pressure. For example, CO2 react with the water to formation of H2CO3. Carbon dioxide gas pass through the water in the presence of pressure. When pressure increases, two molecules come close to each other, undergo is what collide to formation of carbonic acid. This reaction known as a faster reaction. Another one is surface area of the reactant. For example, calcium carbonate, marble or solid. Another one is a calcium carbonate powder. Both are react with the hydrochloric acid, HCl, to formation of calcium chloride plus CO2 plus water. Calcium chloride plus CO2 plus water. Here marble and powder. Powder having the large surface area, so surface area increases mean rate of the reactions also increases. This reaction fast reaction. This reaction is slow reaction. The answer equation here 2 chlorine, 2 hydrogen, 2 times, here 2 times. This reaction known as the surface area of the reactant. These are the factors affecting the rate of the reaction. First one is nature of the reactant, second one is concentration of the reactant, third one is temperature, another one is a catalyst, pressure, surface area of the reactant. Next topic is ionic product of water. Next, ionic product of water. Water is weak electrolyte to formation of hydronium ion and hydroxide ion. 4 hydrogen. This known as Kw. Kw known as ionic product of water. What is the definition for ionic product of water? Concentration of hydronium ion and concentration of hydroxide ion divided by concentration of water. Coefficient goes to power. Here water after say excess can be negligible. So Kw equal to concentration of hydronium ion and the concentration of OH. For pure water, pH equal to 7, H plus concentration 10 power minus 7. Here H plus concentration should be equal to OH minus concentration. So H plus concentration nothing but hydronium ion. This is 10 power minus 7. This also 10 power minus 7. Kw values. Kw is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 14 unit. Concentration can be measured by mole per liter. So mole per liter per whole square. This value known as Kw value. Kw can be defined as concentration of hydronium ion and concentration of hydroxide ion. Kw depends upon the temperature. If the temperature increases, Kw also increases. Next, the pH of the solution. pH of the solution can be measured. Concentration of hydrogen ion in the solution. This name is called pH of the solution. pH should be equal to minus log base 10 concentration of H plus. pH is equal to log base 10 1 by concentration of H plus. If concentration of H plus increases, pH value decreases. What is the definition for pH? pH can be defined as negative part of base 10 logarithm of concentration of H plus ion. pH value nature of the solution. pH value is 0 with strong acid. pH 2 acid, pH 5 weak acid, pH 7 neutral, so 9 weak base, 11 base, 14 strong base, pH equal to 1 to 14. pH less than 7, the solution is acidic. Here, concentration of H plus greater than the 10 power minus 7. pH equal to 7, neutral. Concentration of H plus and the concentration of OH minus should be equal to 10 power minus 7. pH greater than 7, basic nature. Concentration of OH minus greater than the 10 power minus 7. Note pH of human saliva 6.5 to 7.5. Ideal blood 7.4. Healthy human skin 4.5 to 6. Drinking water pH value 5.5 to 9.5. In water, presence of H plus concentration, another one is the OH minus concentration. Distilled water pH value 7. pOH of the solution. So pOH can be measured the concentration of hydroxyl ion. So sir, pOH to be equal to log base 10 1 by concentration of hydroxyl ion. What is the definition for pOH? Negative part of base 10 logarithm of concentration of hydroxyl ion. Next, relationship between pH and pH. We know that Kw should be equal to concentration of H plus and the concentration of OH minus. Take the logarithm and both sides. Log Kw equal to log concentration of H plus and the concentration of OH minus. Log A and B should be equal to log A plus log B. So log Kw equal to log of concentration of H plus log of concentration of OH minus. Take the negative sign on both sides. Log Kw minus log of concentration of H plus minus log of concentration of reaction mix. This time dkW, this time pH, this term pH. What is a pKW? pKW nothing but minus log of base 10 kW. What's the kW value? 1.0 in 10 power minus 14 equal to minus log of base 10 kW. kW should be equal to 1 into 10 power minus 14 minus log base 10 1 into 10 power minus 14. Take the minus common. Log base 10 1 plus log base 10 minus 4. 14 here. Log 1 value 0. So minus 0 minus 14. So plus 14. kW plus 4. So pH plus pOH d equal to 4. If knowing the values of pOH, next to find out the pH. If pH value lesser than 7, acidic, equal to 7, neutral, greater than 7 is a basic mixture. Another one is pH in everyday life. Point number 1. Our body works pH range 7.0 to 7.8. Healthy human skin 4.52. This is what 6. This value increases or decreases. What is what maybe causes a fever or maybe causes any defect. Our teeth is made up of calcium phosphate. Mouth walls pH range 6.5 to 7.5. This can be fall down. So toothpaste is a basic nature. The base react with acid to formation of neutral. This prevent the teeth decay. In agriculture, pH value very important. Citrus fruit is a acid. We require alkaline soil. Rice is acidic, which require acidic soil. Sugarcane is a neutral, which require neutral soil. This is known as pH of the soil. Third one is pH of rainwater. So pH is equal to 7. The water is neutral, highly pure. The water is contaminated with the atmosphere with presence of oxides of sulfur and nitrogen. These two are reacted to produce the acid rain. So pH value less than 7. So pH value equal to 5.6 means this acid rain. This is known as what? pH of rainwater. Another one is indicator. There are three types of indicator. Color in acid, color in base. First one is litmus paper. Is an acid medium, red color, basic medium, blue color. Another one is phenolphthalein. So generally phenolphthalein is a colorless, so acid medium is a colorless, basic medium pink color. Another one is methyl ash. Acid medium is pink color, basic medium yellow or red. These are the chemical reaction. Conclusion. First we discuss about types of reaction. What are the types of reaction? There are 7 types. First one is combination reaction. Another one is a decomposition reaction. Another one is a single displacement reaction. Another one is a double displacement reaction. Another one is a combustion. Another one is a exothermic and endothermic. Another one is a reversible and irreversible reaction. Next, rate of the reaction. What are the factors affecting the rate of the reaction? Concentration of the reactant, nature of the reactant, temperature, pressure and catalyst. Last one is surface area. These are the factors affecting the rate of the reaction. Next, ionic product of water. Ionic product of water directly proportional to the temperature. Next, pH of the solution, pH of soil, pH of rainwater, pH of human being. Finally, is what is litmus? This litmus indicator. Litmus paper is a red color in acidic medium, blue color in the basic medium. Phenolphthalein is a colorless in acidic medium, pink color in the basic medium. Methyl orange is a pink color in acidic medium, yellow or red in the basic medium. These are the known as chemical.